Hello, we are already familiar with Stable Diffusion XL from Stability AI. In this video, I'd like to show you a model that was built on top of Stable Diffusion XL. Thanks to its permissive open source license, other developers were able to fine-tune and improve the base model. One of the most successful examples is Juggernaut XL from RunDiffusion, which became extremely popular for its ability to generate highly photorealistic images. This is a great example of the power of open source AI. Anyone can build upon an existing model, improve it, and, as in this case of Juggernaut XL, even create an entire family of models for the community to use. You can download these models from Hugging Face, but I'd also like to introduce another popular website, civitai.com. It's one of the largest platforms for sharing generative AI models. As always, be careful when downloading models, and only use trusted sources from trustworthy creators. For now, let's navigate to the RunDiffusion repository on Hugging Face. We will test 3 different versions: version 2, version 9, and Ragnarok. Each model is around 7 GB in size, so they should run on most modern GPUs. We will start with version 2, which was the release that first made the Juggernaut series so popular. After saving the model in the checkpoints folder, let's switch to ComfyUI. We will build a simple workflow from scratch, similar to the ones we've created in previous videos. One advantage of Juggernaut XL is that it produces high-quality images directly, so it doesn't require the separate refiner model that was commonly used with the original SDXL base model. We will need a load checkpoint node, clip text encode nodes for both the positive and negative prompts, a key sampler with mostly default settings, and empty latent image node to define the image resolution, a VAE decode node to convert the latent representation back to pixel space, and finally a save image node to store the generated image. Of course, all of these nodes need to be connected correctly. If we return to the model page on Hugging Face, we'll find the recommended generation settings. Let's use those recommendations, as they will help us get high-quality results right away. For the positive and negative prompts, a good approach is to generate them using a large language model, such as ChatGPT. This makes it easy to create detailed prompts optimized for photorealistic, portraits, or other specific styles. Now, let's take a look at some example images generated by this model. Next, let's compare the results with version 9, which became one of the biggest successes in the Stable Diffusion community, and one of the most downloaded XDXL-based models. Finally, let's look at the final model of the series, Ragnarok. This version is available for download from Civitai website. To sum up, because Stability AI released Stable Diffusion XL as open source, we gained not only the ability to run these models locally, but also access to an entire ecosystem of community-created models, built on top of the original foundation. Juggernaut XL is one of the best examples of that ecosystem. Across more than 10 releases, it has continuously improved image quality, especially in areas such as lighting, realistic skin textures, human anatomy, and natural landscapes. A big thanks to RunDiffusion for developing the Juggernaut series, and to Stability AI for making this thriving open source generative AI ecosystem possible. See you next time.